Okay. Ground each of the four. Yeah, that's a good picture. Okay, you're going. On record. Take as much as that image we want. Unfortunately, ain't much you can take. Okay, you ready? I'll hit 0. Oh, we lost our picture. Hold up, we lost our picture unless your glove's covering it. What? Why is this thing going goofy? Okay, we got a picture back. I've got no... Let me try this. I'll mess it up and wait for a minute. I'm hoping this is it. Okay, we've got a big number, so it should record. It's all over the place, so.
Ready?
Get something else.
You don't camera?
It's jumping all over. Yeah, it's okay. We got a number.
Ready?
Yep, we're ready. Just lost our picture again. Maybe I want it. I don't know. Go out a ways farther and see what happens. We'll pull it back up and we'll see what happens. Numbers are fine. Still don't have them. Are you out of the line now?
Yeah.
Shoot. Shake that end once, see if something's loose there. No. Estimate. If I got it this way, let me try here. Well, it's a blue screen. Before we had a gray screen. It's something else. We got picture again. It's right here. Something right here.
Yeah, you're not doing that right.
It's all in this plug. The plug's going in. Well, if I try to tighten it up, it goes. Yeah, let's try this. I just want to get it done. Johnson. Let me find the thing again. Come on, give me. He was telling me something about this, I don't know. Don't want to call dispatch. Why are you coming up again? I hate this phone. Johnson. On cancel. Gosh. Where is my deal? I still ain't got nothing. Give me a second to find out what he's going to tell me about this dang thing. We should have set it up, I guess. Let's see. One more. Okay. Yeah. That's okay. Yeah, they do. It costs you $40 out of pocket, though. Okay. All right, John. Hey, you don't know nothing about the set that was in what's his name's office, do you? Ted's? The set that was in Ted's office? Okay. I don't know. It's not giving me a picture. No. Had it screwed down real high? Hard? No. The monitor might be, but the reel's not. But now I have it flashing on and off. Oh, I got a picture now. But now it goes out. Alright. Okay, cool. Make call. Alrighty, you too. Take care. Bye. Man. What are we supposed to do with this rig? I zero it once and that's it. Isn't that something? Huh? There's something to do with this plug-in, I think. It is not taking.
through?
Now cement, we get our deal off here, and the thing suddenly wants to mess up on us. This was a shop set. Well, give me 1 second. I'll call somebody real quick. You got the magic touch on this? It's all over the place for me. You like that? I'll get it from the place we got it from, Ted. I'll see if he's used it. Just a second here and see what I can do for you. Dispatch Chris. There it is. Where'd it go? One more down. Then it goes out. My phone's almost on the same level as this thing is. Should've. What happened? I lost the whole works. Come on. One of these days.
Why don't you put Ted in that?
That's what I'm trying to do. My phone went out again. It's on the same level of loveliness. Hey Ted, have you used that camera that was in your room?
Have I used it?
Yeah.
I think I used it for a video.
Okay. It just keeps going on and off on me. It won't stay in and lose a picture.
I mean, I didn't really need it for anything.
And now it won't stay in long enough to even give a picture.
Really? Yeah, I told Mel to use that one with caution because it was acting up.
Okay.
It needs to get in and get fixed. Someone tagged it like Friday or Saturday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's nothing new. That's what this is.
Okay, well, let me call Mel then.
Oh, shitty deal.
Alrighty, thank you.
Hey, if you tighten down the thing a little bit tighter, it might stick on. That's what I did the other day.
On which one? The one right here? Yeah, I tried that. Then it stayed on, just have a gray face. It don't give me a picture. Yeah, it goes gray to blue, gray to blue.